Looking at cruise ships in the mid-size category, the Grandeur of the Seas stands out as a solid choice for those who want a classic cruising experience without the overwhelming crowds of the megaships. This Vision-class vessel from Royal Caribbean has been sailing since 1996, and while she may not be the newest ship on the seas, she offers something that many newer vessels sometimes lack: character and a more intimate atmosphere. The ship underwent significant refurbishments in 2018 and again in 2023, which means passengers get to enjoy updated amenities without losing that classic cruise ship charm. With a capacity of around 2,446 passengers, this ship hits the sweet spot where you have plenty of fellow travelers to create a lively atmosphere, but not so many that you feel like you are lost in a floating city. What makes the Grandeur particularly appealing is her regular home port of Baltimore, Maryland, which is incredibly convenient for East Coast residents. No need to fly to Florida and deal with airport hassles. Just drive to Baltimore and start your vacation right away. The ship primarily focuses on Caribbean itineraries, hitting all the popular spots that cruise lovers have come to expect and enjoy. When it comes to accommodations aboard the Grandeur of the Seas, passengers have several solid options to choose from, each designed to fit different budgets and preferences. The interior staterooms are compact but functional, measuring around 140 to 160 square feet. These rooms prove that you do not need a window to have a comfortable cruise experience, especially since most of your time will be spent exploring the ship and destinations anyway. The interior cabins come with all the basics you need: comfortable bedding that can be configured as either 2 twins or 1 queen, a small vanity area, adequate closet space, and a private bathroom. The 2023 refurbishment brought updated decor and improved lighting, making these spaces feel fresher and more modern than you might expect from a ship of this vintage. For those who want a bit more space and natural light, the Ocean View staterooms offer picture windows that provide lovely views of the ocean and destinations. These rooms are slightly larger at 160 to 195 square feet and include the same amenities as interior cabins, plus the psychological benefit of having that connection to the outside world. The real treat comes with the balcony staterooms, which range from 195 to 235 square feet, including the private outdoor space. Having your own balcony transforms the cruise experience completely. Imagine sipping your morning coffee while watching dolphins play in a ship's wake, or enjoying a quiet evening under the stars. These rooms often include a small seating area and upgraded amenities that make them feel more like a proper vacation retreat. The dining scene on Grandeur of the Seas offers a good mix of complimentary and specialty options that should satisfy most appetites and preferences. The main dining room, appropriately called the Grandeur Dining Room, serves as the heart of the ship's culinary experience. This elegant space offers traditional multi-course dinners with a menu that changes nightly, featuring everything from perfectly prepared lobster tail to tender prime rib. What many passengers appreciate about the main dining room is the flexible seating policy. Gone are the days when you had to commit to the same table and time for the entire cruise. You can choose traditional fixed seating if you enjoy meeting the same people each night, or opt for flexible dining if you prefer to eat when the mood strikes you. The Windjammer Cafe serves as the ship's casual buffet venue, and is where many passengers find themselves for breakfast and lunch. The selection is extensive, with fresh salads, international dishes, grilled items, and a decent dessert selection. The 2023 refurbishment improved the flow and layout of this space, making it less congested during peak meal times. For a fun change of pace, Johnny Rockets brings that classic American diner experience to the high seas. This 1950s-style venue serves up juicy burgers, crispy fries, and thick milkshakes that will take you back to simpler times. While there is a small cover charge, many passengers find it worth the cost for the nostalgic atmosphere and quality comfort food. The pool areas on Grandeur of the Seas provide exactly what you would expect from a well-designed cruise ship: plenty of space to relax, swim, and soak up the sun. The ship features 2 main pool areas, each with its own character and appeal. The family pool area tends to be the more lively of the two, with activities, music, and the general buzz of families enjoying their vacation time together. The second pool offers a slightly quieter atmosphere, perfect for passengers who want to enjoy the water without quite as much activity and noise around them. Both pools are complemented by several hot tubs strategically placed around the deck areas, providing warm relaxation spots with beautiful ocean views. What the Grandeur lacks in flashy water slides and aqua parks, she makes up for in well-designed deck spaces that actually encourage relaxation. The sun decks offer plenty of comfortable loungers, and there are shaded areas for those who want to enjoy the outdoor atmosphere without direct sun exposure. The ship also provides cabanas for rent, giving passengers a more private outdoor experience if they are willing to pay a bit extra for the luxury. The upper decks feature a jogging track for those who want to maintain their fitness routine while enjoying ocean breezes and scenic views. There's also a basketball court and shuffleboard areas, providing active entertainment options that do not require you to leave the ship. Activities aboard the Grandeur of the Seas strike a nice balance between organized entertainment and opportunities for independent relaxation. The main theater hosts Broadway-style productions, live music performances, and comedy shows that consistently receive positive reviews from passengers. The intimate size of the theater means there really are no bad seats, and the acoustics are quite good. The casino offers all the standard games you would expect: slot machines, blackjack tables, poker, and roulette. While it may not be as large as casinos on megaships, it provides plenty of gaming excitement for those who enjoy trying their luck. The atmosphere is lively but not overwhelming, and the staff is known for being friendly and helpful to players of all experience levels. Daily activities include the usual cruise favorites like trivia contests, dance classes, and pool games, but the crew does a good job of keeping things fresh and engaging. Art auctions, cooking demonstrations, and guest lectures provide more enriching experiences for passengers who want to learn something new during their vacation. The ship occasionally hosts themed cruises, particularly around holidays like Halloween and Christmas, which add an extra layer of fun and festivity to the cruise experience. These themed voyages often feature special decorations, costume contests, and holiday-specific activities that create lasting memories. The Vitality Spa provides a comprehensive wellness experience that goes well beyond basic massage services. The facility includes a full range of treatment rooms offering everything from relaxing Swedish massages to more intensive deep tissue work, rejuvenating facials, and luxurious body wraps. The spa staff is professionally trained and skilled at helping passengers choose treatments that match their needs and preferences. The spa facilities include a sauna and steam room, which are perfect for unwinding after a day of shore excursions or simply as part of a relaxing spa day at sea. The relaxation lounges provide quiet spaces where you can decompress before or after treatments, and the overall atmosphere is designed to promote peace and tranquility. The fitness center is well equipped with modern cardio machines, free weights, and space for group classes. Regular offerings include yoga sessions, Pilates classes, and various fitness boot camps that take advantage of the ship's outdoor spaces when weather permits. Personal training sessions are available for passengers who want more individualized attention for their fitness goals. Wellness programs extend beyond just physical fitness, with seminars and workshops covering topics like nutrition, stress management, and healthy living strategies that passengers can take home and incorporate into their daily lives. The Adventure Ocean program on Grandeur of the Seas ensures that younger passengers have just as much fun as the adults, with age-appropriate activities and dedicated spaces designed specifically for different age groups. The program divides children into groups: aquanauts for the youngest cruisers, explorers for elementary school-age kids, and voyagers for older children who are not quite ready for teen activities. Each age group has its own dedicated space with activities tailored to their interests and developmental stage. Younger children enjoy arts and crafts, story time, and simple games, while older kids participate in more complex activities like scavenger hunts, science experiments, and group sports. The counselors are trained professionals who know how to keep children engaged and entertained while maintaining a safe environment. The Teen Lounge provides a space where teenagers can socialize away from both younger children and adults. This area typically features video games, music, and activities that appeal to this age group. Teen-specific activities include dance parties, movie nights, and social events that help young people make friends and create their own cruise memories. Connecting staterooms and family suites are available for larger families, and babysitting services can be arranged for parents who want to enjoy some adult time while knowing their children are being well cared for by qualified staff members. The ports of call and shore excursions available through Grandeur of the Seas showcase some of the most beautiful and interesting destinations in the Caribbean and beyond. Regular itineraries include popular Caribbean stops like Jamaica, Cozumel, and St. Thomas, each offering its own unique blend of culture, history, and natural beauty. The ship also visits the Bahamas frequently, giving passengers easy access to pristine beaches and crystal-clear waters. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you're not ready to book this cruise, you can watch our Best Cruises playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.